Hey everyone, summer is here, and that means finding fun ways to cool down. If you're looking for a healthy and easy treat your kids will absolutely love, you've come to the right place. Today we're talking about homemade Greek yogurt popsicles. They're creamy, refreshing, and packed with good stuff. Plus, they are incredibly simple to make right in your own kitchen. Greek yogurt is a fantastic base for popsicles. It's thicker than regular yogurt, which gives the popsicles a wonderful creamy texture. It's also higher in protein, making it a more satisfying snack. You can use plain or vanilla Greek yogurt. Plain gives you more control over the sweetness and flavors you add. Vanilla is already a little sweet and works well with many fruit combinations. Before we dive into specific flavors, let's make a simple sweetened yogurt base. This is optional if you're using vanilla yogurt, but great for plain. You'll need about 2 cups, 475 ml of plain Greek yogurt. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons, 30 to 60 ml of honey or maple syrup, depending on how sweet you like it. Stir it all together until it's smooth and the sweetener is fully mixed in. This base is ready for any additions you like. Let's start with a classic, berries. These are always a hit and full of vitamins. For Berry Blast, you'll need 1 cup, about 150 grams of mixed berries, fresh or frozen. You can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or a mix. Blend the berries until smooth. Then, gently swirl the berry puree into your sweetened Greek yogurt base. Don't mix it completely if you want a pretty marbled effect. Bring some sunshine to your freezer with tropical flavors. Mango and pineapple work wonderfully here. You'll need about 1 cup, 165 grams of chopped tropical fruit like mango or pineapple. Make sure it's ripe for the best flavor. Puree the fruit until smooth. Again, you can swirl this into your yogurt base or mix it in completely for a uniform color. This one feels a little more indulgent, but is still healthier than many store-bought options. Kids usually go crazy for this combination. You'll need 1 ripe banana and 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters of unsweetened cocoa powder. Mash the banana very well or blend it until smooth. Mix the mashed banana and cocoa powder into your sweetened Greek yogurt base. Stir until the cocoa powder is fully incorporated and there are no dry bits left. Once your yogurt mixture is ready, it's time to fill your popsicle molds. Spoon the mixture carefully into each mold. Leave a little space at the top, as liquids can expand slightly when freezing. Insert your popsicle sticks. If your molds have lids with slots for sticks, put those on. If not, you can cover the top with foil and poke the sticks through the foil to help them stand straight. Place the filled molds in the freezer. They will need several hours to freeze solid, usually at least 4 to 6 hours. For best results, leave them overnight. Make sure they are placed on a flat surface in the freezer so they freeze evenly. When they are completely frozen, they are ready to enjoy. If you have trouble getting them out of the mold, run the outside of the mold under warm water for just a few seconds. Don't use hot water or leave it too long, or they'll start melting. Pop them out and hand them to your happy kids. It's such a simple way to make a healthy, fun treat at home. Making these popsicles is a great activity to do with your kids too. They can help with mixing and pouring. So grab some Greek yogurt and your favorite fruits and make some delicious, healthy popsicles this summer. Your kids will thank you.